Email verification failed on Acorns Fix. If your Acorns account isn't verifying your email, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's a system error, when the surprising truth is that the issue usually lies in email filters, typos, or outdated account information. The good news is you can resolve it quickly with the right steps. Step 1. Check your inbox thoroughly, including spam, junk, and promotions folders. Acorns verification emails often get filtered automatically, especially by Gmail or Yahoo. Make sure you're checking the email address linked to your Acorns account. Step 2. Confirm that your email is entered correctly in your account settings. A small typo can prevent verification entirely. If you notice a mistake, update your email and request a new verification link. Step 3. Add notifications. Acorns come to your safe sender list or contacts. This ensures future verification emails are delivered directly to your inbox and not blocked or filtered. Step 4. If you still haven't received the email, go back to the Acorns app or website and request a fresh verification link. Avoid requesting multiple links in a short period, as this can temporarily lock your verification process. Finally, once your email is verified, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security and ensures that all account notifications arrive promptly. By following these steps, you can fix email verification issues on Acorns efficiently, restoring full access to your account and investment features. Proper email management and attention to detail are key to keeping your Acorns account secure and fully functional.